Bangladesh is asking India to reconsider the long pending Teesta water sharing agreement right after the assembly elections of West Bengal. Come, read with me. First, let's talk about the background. Now, what exactly is the Teesta issue? The Teesta river flows through India and then into Bangladesh. Now, both countries depend on its water for irrigation, farming, drinking water, livelihoods of millions of people. But the problem is, since the river is shared, both the countries want a fair share of water. Now, what happened earlier in 2011, India and Bangladesh almost signed a Teesta water sharing deal, but it got delayed because Mamata Banerjee, then Chief Minister of West Bengal, opposed it. Now, why? Because West Bengal argued that giving away too much water could hurt the farmers of the North Bengal. Since water is a state subject, in many practical matters, the centre needs state cooperation. Now, why is this in news now? Because Bangladesh believes that with BJP's victory in West Bengal, political resistance may reduce. So, Bangladesh is asking India to reconsider the agreement under the current circumstances. Now, basically, new political conditions will be new hope for solving an old dispute. Now, what are the Bangladesh concerns? See, Bangladesh wants a greater share of Teesta water, faster process on the agreement, and stronger India-Bangladesh cooperation. Bangladesh's foreign minister also said Teesta is a matter of life and livelihood for many people. But there is a China angle also, and it is very important, talks with Beijing. Now, the article mentions Bangladeshi officials are also discussing issues with Beijing, China. Why is this important? China has earlier showed interest in the Teesta River project in Bangladesh. If India delays too much, Bangladesh may look more towards China for support or infrastructure. This makes the issue not just about water but also about regional geopolitics. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this particular news. First dimension is the international relations dimension. India-Bangladesh relations, neighborhood first policy, water diplomacy as foreign policy tool. Then we have the federalism dimension. In this conflict between state and center, even international agreements can get stuck because states have interest too. Then there is a geographical dimension. Now, transboundary rivers, river basin management. Then there is an agricultural dimension. Irrigation needs West Bengal and Bangladesh. Water scarcity affects farmers directly. And then there is a geopolitical dimension. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this news. This becomes highly important for GS Paper 2 International Relations, GS Paper 1 Indian Geography, GS Paper 3 Agriculture and Resource Sharing, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.